Hello, what are you doing?
You sounded completely disinterested.
No, what are you doing?
I'm making Puttanesca.
Pasta Puttanesca, what's that?
So that's chili, garlic, which was grown on my brother's allotment.
Ooh, that's nice.
By my brother. And basil, which you fry briefly just to get a bit of colour on it.
Nice.
Okay, then when that's done, you add sort of about a tablespoon of capers.
Nice.
A tin of anchovy fillets.
Ooh, that's exotic. Whole tin.
Whole tin. About a sort of a rounded tablespoon of tomato puree. And it's around 175 grams of sort of black olive chopped, and about 450 grams of tomatoes.
450 grams, that's a pound.
Which has been skinned. They've been skinned.
So you skin them by putting them in warm water, don't you?
Boiling water for a minute. I
Right.
think you can score the bottom of the tomatoes as well. Tomatoes.
Tomatoes.
And some pepper.
Some pepper.
And then you just bring that up to a simmer, and you simmer for about 40 minutes.
40 minutes. That looks nice. 40 minutes. So it's finished.
Yep, it's finished. You just add it to your pasta with some parmesan.
40 minutes later. Lovely. Ooh, so what you add? You added parmesan and basil.
And that's it, buddy.
And it's pasta Puttanesca.